Thomas went to the seaport to see that thing.
Engine. It was shiny and modern, and Thomas had never seen anything like it.
The important passengers boarded Thomas when...
His hook knocked the switch, and the switch started the jet engine, and the engine began to whine. The whine got louder and louder and louder. Uh-oh, said Cranky. Before he could say anything else, the jet... screamed Thomas, and indeed, he did not. The driver tried to put on the brakes, but Thomas couldn't stop.
I would have been toast.
Whoa, boy! The station master called ahead. Clear the lines! It's a runaway train! Signals were changed, and points were switched. Thomas had never been so excited. Thomas flew by James. And very wet.